Here is step-by-step guide how to install BitGet application on your iPhone. So let me find App Store on my iPhone device and just tap on it. And after that, tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. And after that, tap on search field at the very top and type in here BitGet application. After that, scroll down until you find BitGet wallet. And after that, scroll down until you find BitGet wallet. And tap on get button right here. And after that, confirmation install. And wait a couple of seconds. And after successful installation, you can tap on open button right here. Wait. And in your window you can allow notification, and once you're right here you can tap on this arrow again and once again. So once we're here we can see welcome to BitGet wallet, and right now you can tap on create a wallet if you don't have a wallet, or you can import a wallet. Just import mnemonic phrase or private key. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also watch this new video or this playlist about BitGet.